Hello champs, welcome to all of you on my Pyarasa channel Coding from Mumbai. In this video, I want to talk about the very important topic of loops in JavaScript playlist, that is break and continue statement. What is the meaning of break statement and what is the meaning of continue statement and what is the impact of these two statements on the loop? Understand? So all information about break statement as well as the continue statement is discussed in this video. So what is the prerequisite of this video? The prerequisite is you have to know a very well understanding of the loop, how for loop are works, how while loops are work, or other types of loop. So if you are not watching the loops in JavaScript playlist, so please go and watch all the video of loops in JavaScript. Okay, so I think I am done with introduction. Let's go for it. Start the video. Hello. So now I start the video. I'm just writing the topic, that is the break statement. So before I talk about continue statement, I'm talking about first break statement. After that, I'm talking about the continue statement, how it is work. For that purpose, I'm simple taking example. Let I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Now you are able to see I'm simple creating a for loop in which I am initialize the variable I by 1, and then I am putting the condition this loop are executed until the value of I variable is less than or equal to 10, means 10 times this loop are executed. Then I am writing I plus plus. After each iteration I want to increase the value of variable I by 1, and then I am just putting the console.log printing message good morning, and then I'm writing value of variable I. Let's see what is the output. Good morning 1, good morning 2, good morning 10. So this is a simple output or comes by using this particular for loop, which is very expected from my side because there is not anything I am discussed till now. Okay, which is very confused. Now this is a simple example of for loop, how it is work. So I am talking about break statement, how break statement are work. So for that purpose I am just writing here if value of I variable is equal to 1, not 1, equal to 4. So I just want to write here break, and then what is happening, let's see. And then I'm just writing here console.log outside the loop. You are able to see in this example I'm simply writing a console outside the loop in the which outside the for loop. In for loop, I'm just printing the good morning for each and every iteration till 10. But I'm just writing here, if value of I variable is become 4, that time I'm hitting the break statement. What is the meaning of break statement? As the meaning suggests, as a word suggests, break means stop, unconditionally or conditionally, whatever. Okay. So when I'm writing break statements, it means when value of I variable become 4. So I'm just hitting the break statement. It means whenever this statement are works or hitted, that time I am completed comes outside the loop. What is the meaning? Let's understand. I'm just running the code and let's see what is the output. Good morning 1, 2, 3, 4. When value of I variable become 4. Okay. After that I'm just hitting the break statement. Okay. So this is a good morning are printed of value of variable 4, and then the break statement are hit, and then I'm just coming outside the loop, which is message here. I am outside the loop. So you have to understand very well. By using break statement, whenever condition is true and break statement are hitted, at that moment of time, immediately the control of execution of a program comes outside the loop. This is very important. We have to understand. It means when value of I variable becomes 4, so I just want to come outside the loop. So I'm simply writing break statement. Whenever break statement are hitted, then execution control of programs comes outside the loop. Whatever number of loops, whatever number of iterations are remaining, I don't know. After hitting the break statement, immediately I am able to comes outside the particular for loop. So this is simple example of break statement. By using break statement, we are able to comes outside the loop anytime. If I am just putting I equal to 8, so for that time this loop is only execute 8 times. Okay, this loop are only execute 8 times. Whenever value of I will become 8, then I just want to come outside the loop. so remaining number of iteration is not executed. Okay, I think you are able to understand the how break statement works, and by using break statement we are able to come outside the loop anytime, any moment of time if the condition become true. Now I just want to talk about second statement, that is continue statement. Continue statement. Okay, now let's understand continue statement. So for that, again I'm just taking example, after that only I want to explain you. For let j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to 10, j plus plus. Here I writing console.log good afternoon. Here writing j. Okay, you are able to see I am simply writing good morning, and I want to continue, or I want to execute this block of code which is in the for loop 10 times. J is equal to 1 to j is less than or equal to 10. Let's see what is output. Good afternoon 1 2 3 4 till 10 means this loop are executed 10 times. So what is the, if I hitted the break statement any moment of time, automatically I come outside the loop, we know that. But what is the use of continue statement? Let's understand. Here I am writing simply if j is equal to 4, so I am just writing here continue. Okay, let's see what is the output. Again after that you are able to see good afternoon 1 is correct, good afternoon is correct, good afternoon 3 is correct, good afternoon no, good after 4 is not present, good afternoon 4 is not present, because I am writing the condition if variable value j is equal to 4 at that moment of time. I just write the continue statement. What is the use of continue statement? Whenever continue statement are hitted in any loop at that moment of time, but on each this particular iteration, whatever code are remaining of for loop are not going to be executed. Understand? Means if I want to skip any iteration, if I want to skip any particular iteration in this circle of loop, so I have to use the continue statement. In this case, I just want to skip the loop number or iteration number 4. This is the reason why I am writing if value of variable j is equal to 4. So I just want to skip the iteration, means whatever code are contained by the for loop I didn't want to execute at whenever the value of j variable become 4. So I'm just writing continue statement here. Whenever I'm writing continue means whatever code are remaining after this line is not executed, then automatically control comes into for the next iteration. So for skipping the iteration or skipping any particular skipping any particular iteration, we have to use the continue statement. Understand? So this is the reason how continue statement works. If I am just hitting continue statement equal to 4 or j is equal to 5, for that purpose I just want to skip. Let's see. In this I just want to clear the console and let's run the code again. You are able to see whenever value of variable j is 4, then I just want to skip the code, whatever code are contained by the for loop. So afternoon, good afternoon 4 is not executed, and in next iteration when value of variable j become 5, then also I want to skip the code of block for loop. So again you are able to see there is not any line of output or comes good after 5 and good afternoon 4 is not present into the particular output. So for skipping the any particular iteration we have to use continue statement. Or if I want to break the loop, in any moment of time, so if the condition is true, then by using break statement I can able to comes outside the loop. By using break statement, by using continue statement, we are able to skip any particular iteration of the particular loop. Understand? So this all information about break statement and continue statement. Okay, so in these two statements I am simply taking a only for loop example, because till now I am only discuss the first type of loop, that is for loop. You are able to apply this break statement as well as this continue statement in each and every type of loops in JavaScript. Understand, you have to main understanding what you have to understand what is the actual working of the break statement and what is the actual working of a continue statement. Continue statement are used for skipping the any particular iteration, and break statement are used for breaking the loop and comes outside the loop on any moment of time whenever our condition is become true. Understand? I think I am done with all my knowledge about break statement and continue statements. So let's continue the playlist of JavaScript, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.